Hao! Welcome to Inchin Closer's video series on the basics of Mandarin Chinese. This mini-series is especially curated for Indians to learn to speak Mandarin quickly and confidently. If you already have a good grasp on Hindi, well then, you're a lucky one. You already have a head start on conquering the language. China and India have many similarities when it comes to their culture. Here at Inchin Closer, we've especially curated a curriculum for Indians to learn Mandarin. So Mandarin is often categorized as a difficult language, one that challenges both the left and the right sides of the brain. However, in this short video series, we're going to prove to you that Mandarin is not only logical, but simple to learn. Welcome back, everyone! Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of technology and apps in China. When it comes to technology, China has her own ecosystem, set up as a local alternative to American apps. Chinese technology now far supersedes American apps that we in India are used to, such as Facebook, WhatsApp, and Instagram. In fact, most Chinese super apps are bigger, offer more services, and are more user-friendly than apps that have originated in the West. To help you navigate across the great firewall of China, Inchin Closer will take you on a ride of China's internet highway to explore the Chinese equivalents of our favorite apps and learn how these apps in China make life super convenient. So let's get started. First up, let's talk about the Google of China, Baidu.
Baidu.
In China, Baidu is the most used search engine. Just like Google, Baidu is your go-to for web searches, maps, and even AI-driven services. Baidu Maps,
地图
is quite popular, similar to Google Maps. Further, with AI-powered apps like Baidu Translate,
百度翻译
you can easily translate signs, menus, and even conversations in real time. It's super handy for travelers and expats alike. Figure out how to use it well, and you don't even need an interpreter. Now let's move on to social media. Similar to WhatsApp, China has WeChat.
微信
But WeChat isn't just about messaging. It's a super app. You can make payments, run channels like Discord, play games, book taxis, and even order food. Imagine having WhatsApp, Paytm, Swiggy, and Discord all in one place. Speaking of ordering food, if you're a vegetarian in China, Happy Cow is a lifesaver. It's an app that helps you find vegetarian and vegan restaurants nearby. Perfect for Indians who are looking for familiar tastes. Remember, when ordering food, you can use the phrase that we learned in our last lesson. I am a vegetarian. 我吃素. To order food in general, you can use apps like Meituan
美团
and
饿了么
One of Meituan's primary functions is its food delivery service, which enables users to order meals from a vast network of restaurants and have them delivered to their doorstep. In addition to food delivery, Meituan also offers a range of other local services, including hotel and travel bookings, movie ticket reservations, beauty and wellness services, grocery delivery, ride-hailing, and so much more. 滴滴出行
滴滴出行
is the leading ride-hailing app in China. It makes it super convenient for getting around the city. Fun fact, Didi actually acquired Uber's China operations a few years ago. In addition to this app, you can also use apps like Gaoda Maps and Baidu Maps to call a taxi. For online shopping, Amazon doesn't quite make the cut in China. Instead, they have Taobao,
淘宝淘宝
and Tmall,
天猫天猫
which are both part of the Alibaba group. Taobao is like a combination of Amazon and eBay, where you can find anything from gadgets to clothing. Tmall is more like an online shopping mall with branded products. If you're worried about the quality or delivery of your purchase, then head to JD.com.
京东京东
While you might not find as many niche items, it might be possible to buy more products. JD is known for their wide range of electronics and home appliances. If you can't find what you need on JD, Taobao will undoubtedly have it. Although some users face quality issues on Taobao, reviews can help you find reliable products. Look out for the Tmall verified symbol for verified sellers. Learn more about how you can make the most out of shopping in China in our new video, Shopping and Bargaining in China. PDD
拼多多拼多多
is another e-commerce platform worth mentioning. If you're shopping in bulk to stock up for the entire month, PDD offers a wide range of rock-bottom priced products and is used by locals all over. Fun fact, Taobao has recently introduced an innovative AI image search feature. If you see a friend wearing something that you like, you can take a picture using the Taobao app and it will identify the brand or shop that sells it. This feature even works for items that you see on TV, making it super easy to purchase anything that catches your eye. For those who love watching videos, YouTube is blocked in China, but they have Youku,
优酷优酷
and iQIYI.
爱奇艺爱奇艺
These platforms are great for finding some of our favorite Indian movies. Imagine catching up on Bollywood while in Beijing. Fun fact, Amir Khan is widely known and loved in China, where fans affectionately call him Uncle Me. His films resonate deeply with Chinese audiences due to their exploration of sensitive and taboo topics, such as strict parenting in Dangal, student pressure and suicide in Three Idiots, children with special needs in Tare Zameen Par. Amir Khan's impactful storytelling and powerful performances bridged cultural gaps, touching the hearts of audiences in both China and India. In China, reading habits have evolved with the rise of digital platforms. WeChat reading,
微信读书微信读书
seamlessly integrated within the WeChat app, offers a wide variety of books and articles. Users can sync their reading progress across devices, join book clubs, and participate in discussion with friends. For travelers and tourists, WeChat reading is a great way to access Chinese literature, improve language skills, and explore the local culture.
豆瓣阅读豆瓣阅读
is another popular platform known for its community-driven approach, where users can rate and review books, share reading lists, and follow authors. This app's interface is user-friendly and it's available for both iOS and Android devices. Now let's dive into the world of AI, where China stands as a global leader. From facial recognition technology to AI-driven education tools and healthcare advancements, China's influence is significant. In areas such as medical imaging devices, diagnostics, and drug discovery, AI has facilitated early cancer diagnosis and personalized treatment plans for companies like Ping An Healthcare. Moreover, China is at the forefront of autonomous vehicle development, with predictions that 56% of vehicles will feature self-driving autonomous cars by 2030. China's government adopts a market-oriented approach to AI, encouraging private tech companies to spearhead AI advancements. One notable example is
讯飞星火，讯飞星火。
A cognitive model language capable of translating multiple languages, summarizing texts, analyzing emotional tones and grammatical errors, and even solving math problems from uploaded photos. Another prominent example is
抖音，抖音。
the Chinese version of TikTok, which has pioneered the use of AI technology to analyze user preferences and provide customized content. Douyin's AI algorithms evaluate data such as watch time, likes, shares, and comments to understand each user's interests. And here's another fun fact. In China, you'll see QR codes everywhere. From making payments, to adding friends on social media, to scanning codes at weddings to give gifts. QR codes are an integral part of daily life. It's amazing how integrated and convenient everything is. So there you have it, a quick tour of the tech landscape in China. From Baidu to WeChat to Taobao and Youku, the Chinese have their unique versions of the apps that we use every day. And with advancements in AI and mobile translations, living and traveling in China have never been easier. Before we end this lesson, let's touch upon the new vocabulary that we've learned today.
百度，百度地图，百度翻译。微信，美团，饿了么，滴滴出行，淘宝。天猫，京东，拼多多，优酷。爱奇艺、微信读书、豆瓣阅读、讯飞星火、抖音。
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Mandarin lessons. 再见!